Nobody likes for people to be on their property or be in their homes when they're not supposed to be. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I know that sometimes people will say, I don't like Haven for Hope because it's not my own space.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, guess what? You don't have any other place to stay.
Sure.
And other places to stay means that you're going to be committing offenses. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do not come back here for a criminal trespass when there are other places for you to stay. May not be the best place, but it's a place.
Yes.
You all have an agreement of a bond of $2,500. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Herrera, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give would be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Jesus Alejandro Herrera.
All right, Mr. Herrera, the questions I'm going to ask you are not about the motion to revoke. It's just questions to determine what conditions should be set for your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever been on any type of mental health medications?
No, Your Honor.
Have you ever seen a psychiatrist?
No, Your Honor.
In the past, notice I'm saying in the past,
Yes, sir.
have you ever used any type of illegal substance, marijuana, or anything else?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
All right. And in the past, how often were you using?
Every day for 10 plus years.
All right.
Yeah.
What substance?
Marijuana mainly and alcohol.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will set your bond at $2,500. Just one moment. All right, your bond will be set at $2,500 and the court is going to order 60 sober meetings. In 60 days. And there'll be random UAs, waive fees. All right, the sober meetings are sober support meetings. They're your AA meetings or NA meetings. So you'll need to do those. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything else, defense?
Does he get a list of locations to where he can take those meetings from pretrial or from probation?
Well, he can find them online as well. It depends on what city, what part of the city you live in, but they have them all over. If for some reason you can't find one, they'll, pretrial will let you know where they're located. But if you go online and just Google sober, put in sober support meetings, because sometimes if you put in AA meetings, it doesn't pop up anymore. It pops up as sober support meetings.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're off the record. The next thing we need to do is we need to set this motion. State family violence, are you on the number ones that are alleged? One is abandonment and the other one is deadly conduct.
I think the deadly conduct should be CTD judged. I guess the child case should be technically be family violence, but I think CTD probably could handle it.
All right,
Sorry, I don't want to be presumptuous.
that's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset this for a hearing in 30 days to make sure that your counsel has a discovery on the new number ones. After that date, it's gonna be a quick turnaround for a contested hearing if there's not a proposed agreement reached. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. All right, your next court date will be March 17th. If you'll make sure he has a reset form.
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, if you need a copy of the order, you may take it to the back, but return it to the clerk that's out here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, just have a seat in the box.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And Norma, you can set the 3/17 day as discovery. Yes.
What do you want?
Back up there, please.
Oh, and Deputy Laura, for him, I guess his family is here. Are you gonna change over anything he has? So that you all won't have to take it back?
Sorry, guys. He has
Doing paperwork on Mr. Ross.
Bashan Herrera is being reset for 317, but that is going to be a discovery for the new number ones in the motion to revoke. Thank you. What page is Herrera on?
He was off docket, Judge. I just brought him in.
Look at me, handling things that are off the. Jalen Zavala, who's the attorney for Jalen Zavala? All right,
Monica, Judge.
thank you. Jessica Lopez. All right, so on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, so I think all the discovery from the state has been tendered. I have conferred with Fence today and they have provided me with additional things that I need to consider. And so at this point, I'm not prepared to make an offer. And so I'm asking for one setting to review what they've given me and meet with my complainant. And then I'd be prepared to do something at the next setting.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. We'll call it a discovery setting, but you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge.
Is there anything else from the defense?
No,
nothing.
All right, what date, Ms. Ferguson?
The 17th, Judge.
All right, so it will be March 17th. Just have a seat. Your attorneys will be in the reset form. Once you sign that, you're excused.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go. Just have her sign it, bring it back. Thank you. Yes, sir. Okay.
We're a little on that climb. I don't have to scope.
I'll put it up there. Can you put that on Tribune? Sorry, I was. Monica's back, Judge.
Jalen Zavala. Hello. So today is plea deadline date. Are you all entering into an agreement or you're asking a jury trial?
We're asking for a jury trial, Judge.
All right, how long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
3 days.
I agree.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date, criminal trial division. It's a DWI with child,
Yes, ma'am.
probably 2 days.
I think they're, continue June 10th, Judge? Would you-
All right.
That's fine.
All right, so we're going to be back on Juneteenth for your jury trial. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court if you decide to enter into a plea bargain agreement. Do you understand?
Yes.
And counsel, you received all discovery?
I have, Judge.
All right, if you all could make sure that an acknowledgement of discovery has been completed because I don't have one. All right, if you'll have a seat, your attorney will bring your reset form.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Thank you so much.
Once for the defendant.
Thank you so much.
Okay. For Gabala?
I think that one, Judge, is wrong.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Okay. Tehran Trevino?
That's a different name.
All right, thank you. Okay,
No, it's, and he's out here already.
all right, thank you. Just one moment, counsel.
Not a problem.
All right, on this case, where are we on discovery?
This is the first appearance and things are,
Everyone, please whisper.
things are extremely confusing. I have a police report for this case. I have videos and a lot of other reports on a totally different case.
Okay.
DA's office file is exactly the same. So they've got to get some things straightened out so I can.
So the discovery is that you've received is not the discovery for this case.
Have a police report for this case. The rest of the discovery is not what we did.
All
Same
right,
situation in his file. So we need all to get this thing straightened out.
all right, Ms. Ferguson, I need this case recalled in 3 weeks for discovery.
Yes, ma'am. March 6th.
All right, we're gonna bring you back on March 6th for discovery. You need to make sure you're on time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I was here on time. I was waiting outside. I didn't know to come in. It's my first.
Okay, so now you know, I had a client who would never come into the courtroom. And I kept telling her the courtroom is not in the hallway. And she did it every time. And I told her, I do not like having to beg a judge, please do not put my client in jail. They're outside in the hallway. So just make sure, now you know, so you'll know to be in, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
have a seat and your attorney will bring you the reset form. And as soon as you receive the reset form and you sign it, you're excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. I know your wife, you probably already have everything available. Not waiting till the last minute like some of the guys. All right, who's here on Jamie Cameron?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I can try.
I put it up there, you need to let her know, and then I'll be here.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 0057 State versus Jamie Lee Cameron. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Defense,
Patrick Hancock for Ms. Cameron.
and are you Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Judge.
All right, Ms. Cameron, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go off the record. I have two indictments, and the indictments are different formants of the grand jury. And they're the same indictment
For the same case.
for the same case, but they're different formants of the grand jury. So does anybody want to see what happened?
I can take a look, Judge.
Is that the less than a gram?
Yeah. Okay, let me check.
All right, thank you. So if you all can step back. Like I's dotted and T's.
That's an eagle eye right there, Judge. Who reads that?
Oh, I try. All right, Isaac Valle.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I cannot complain. It's a beautiful day, although people are complaining about the cold. Why? I do not know.
I heard you say before, the same one to say it's too hot here. I can't,
Yes.
I'm gonna fall out.
So when people bring that up, I hope you are here to remind them what they said on this day.
Yeah, I think they want to live in Hawaii or something.
You know, I've never been. That's on my list. All right, so today is the final plea deadline date.
We need a trial date.
All right. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
Oh, 2 days, maybe.
All right.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
3 days.
3 days.
2.5.
But he says two, so it's gonna be two. All right, Miss Ferguson on Valle, jury trial, 2 days. All right, defense, is June 10th soon enough for you?
It is, Judge. Sounds like a lucky day.
All right, so your jury trial is gonna be June 10th. The court will not consider any plea bargaining agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, my other question is, of course, I don't have the acknowledgement of discovery. So if you all could have that done and sign it before you leave.
Yes, Judge.
And the last notes that were here from the previous judge is that there are new charges, new felonies pending. Is that the case or no?
That is correct.
All right, so I'm assuming,
You want to know what they are, Judge?
well, no, have they been indicted? Is that going to impact this trial?
2 are felonies, pre-indictment, 1 is a misdemeanor.
All right, so counsel, do you have the discovery on the pre-indictment cases?
No.
All right, so are you listed as his attorney on the pre-indictment cases?
Yes.
All right, so if you can make sure that he has discovery for that, because we're going to go to trial on June 10th. And if he has not received discovery for that and you all are planning to use it, then you may not be allowed to use it.
Understood.
All right, once you sign the acknowledgement of discovery in the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes.
They're the same person, Judge. It looks like one is the original handwriting and stamp, so I just think they're copies to us.
Okay. All righty. All right, if you have your client come back up.
Sure.
What's your name?
I'm sure that says Brandon.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm going to go with what you all say.
Mr. Copera.
All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 0057. Could you all please reannounce for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Patrick Hancock for Ms. Cameron, the defendant.
All right, so both of y'all have had a chance to review the true bill of indictment, and it appears to be in order?
It does, Your Honor.
And did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. It appears that you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1. Let's see, just one moment. Less than 1 gram, possession less than 1 gram. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she's competent and sane.
Ms. Cameron, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State offers states exhibit number 1 and attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Redondo?
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we both sides have worked hard to get to this agreement. She's been in jail for quite a while, so we'd like for you to go along with it.
All right, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Is this a judgment satisfied?
Probably not quite, Judge.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Drugs are dangerous, right? They're dangerous whether they're prescribed by the doctor or whether you're just getting them from other people. The people who sell illegal drugs, they do not care about you. If you end up dying from it, guess what? They're like, oh, well, we have another customer. Don't be that person, because the drug you had here was very dangerous. Don't be that person where there's a bite out in the field and somebody has to identify and it's you. You understand? When you're released from custody, if you have a drug issue, if you don't have a support system to help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you can come back to court and I will help get you to a place or with someone who can help you. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Cody Cross.
He's here, he's in jail.
Cody? Yes, come down, please. Mr. Cross, your attorney is in a jury trial, so we're going to recall you back for February 20th. If he is able to be here sooner than that, then he'll let us know and we'll have you brought over sooner. All right, thank you. Vashon Cross is being recalled. Yes, for the 20th. Cassandra Oberlinder. Good morning.
I do not believe she's present. I have not been able to make recent contact with her. I made contact with her when I was initially appointed, but I'm,
Do you know if she's on a PR bond or a commercial bond?
I don't know off the top.
All right, let me see. And if she's on a commercial bond,
I want to say she's on a,
did you check with the bondsman maybe?
I have not.
Okay, let me see. All right, to the clerk, could you check to see if this is a commercial bond or not? It doesn't say so in my system.
Yeah, I have it. Give me one second. I'm just waiting for Hansi. She's on a commercial.
She's on what?
Commercial.
All right, do you want to call the bondsman and see if they can get in touch with her before I make a ruling?
Sure.
All right, so if you'll let defense counsel know.
Yes, ma'am.
Ulysses Gloria Benitez? Yes. Hello.
Hi, Jess.
Hi.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Cannot complain.
Super busy, huh?
It happens.
Yes. Yeah, we were here the last time and we were working on a fee that I said we were gonna work it out.
Mhm.
Well, then we find out that we probably made it up at the other. Even though he
Yes.
speaks perfect English.
Mhm.
The immigration lawyer has been emailing me back and forth.
All right, is your client here?
Yeah, he's in his custody judge.
All right, come down, sir.
So the immigration lawyer has been emailing me back and forth. We touched base with him several times this week already. And we touched base with him yesterday and he was calling me this morning. I returned the call this morning.
Mhm.
But I think what he's doing, these guys do, the immigration people do check with immigration to know his status. That's probably what he's doing. So I was gonna ask to not to push the guy, because I did call him this morning, the immigration lawyer. It went to voicemail. But I was thinking maybe a week. We call it next Thursday, that should give him enough time,
Okay.
because it's gonna be a plea judge. I just wanna have that on record.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this for February 27th. All right,
Okay.
so that's more than a week.
Okay, all right.
All right.
And if I get that letter before, maybe I'll add them on to my doc.
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Judge. Now be excused.
Yes, you may be excused. Good seeing you.
Oh, it's going to.
Have a seat, sir.
All right, thank you.
Christopher, but I'm.
Michael Rodriguez. Good morning. So are these two motions to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And state, is this the same? Good morning. State, is this the same allegation in each motion?
Your Honor. But the state bill offering motion to withdraw.
All right, and why are we doing a motion to withdraw?
Looked into the circumstances of the criminal trespass. It is not, in my opinion, egregious. Mr. Rodriguez went to a vacant home on a cold night, trying to stay warm because he is homeless. He was not bothering anyone. A neighbor called to report that there were unknown people inside the home. That's how he got arrested. Technically is a criminal trespass, but not the most egregious one that I've ever encountered, and I don't believe a sufficient basis to justify a motion to revoke in this circumstance.
All right, and probation, how has he been doing on probation?
Judge, he hasn't had a chance to report to probation. This offense happened shortly after he was granted, so he's been in custody, Judge.
All right, so Mr. Rodriguez, Do you have a place to stay?
Not at the moment, when I get out, yes, ma'am.
All right, so let me explain something to you. You're on probation. And I know that the state, and state, you may be excused. I know that the state is saying that this was an abandoned home. It's, homes are really, really truly abandoned. Maybe a relative doesn't know that they've been given the home, right? Nobody likes for people to be on their property or be in their homes when they're not supposed to be. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I know that sometimes people will say, I don't like Haven for Hope because it's not my own space.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, guess what? You don't have any other place to stay.
Sure.
And other places to stay means that you're going to be committing offenses. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do not come back here for a criminal trespass when there are other places for you to stay. May not be the best place, but it's a place.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court? Oh, yes. All right. So as I was explained to you before, if there's an issue, you need to pick up the phone and call probation. This whole criminal trespass thing probably could have been avoided if you would picked up the phone and call probation and say, I don't have a place to stay. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You can sit down so you can sign off on the alternate
We're
condition.
not authorized, she didn't authorize any of the conditions, but I do want to make sure that.
And let me give you the other one. Judge. Let me find it. Ah, here we are. Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They could detain on some point.
Please are ahead of me, you know? Oh, okay. I just don't know, 399 was looking for me. One, here. Okay, fine, fine. There's another.
Who is here on Aisha Esparza?
Motion substitute, Judge.
Thank you. Hi.
Morning, how you doing?
All right. So where is Aisha Esparza? Is she on the docket today?
She is, Judge.
All right, if she'll come forward. All right, and I will sign the motion, and you're asking that Mr. Woodard be your attorney?
No, Your Honor, the other way around. Mr. Guetta, Martin Guetta is substituting in.
Okay. All right, so what I can tell you is Mr. Guerra is going to be out and he's not going to be available until the end of March. You understand?
Yes.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
set this for a contested hearing on March 27th. All right, and council, I'll sign the motion to substitute.
Thanks, Judge. May I be excused?
Just give us a moment.
Yes. Yes, you may be excused.
Mrs. Sparta, here you go. When is it? Slot in, sign with the defendant.
Judge said
March 27th.
Give me 1 second.
And Mr. Guerra is retained, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
She's ready to go.
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. Make sure you're on time next time. Okay. All right, thank you. You too.
And Judge, Rob has some information from you from the bondsman.
All right, just give me a moment.
Rodriguez. Benitez.
Rodriguez and Benitez.
Counsel? What update do you have? And is it overlay?
Obenland,
Yes.
excited to
Yes.
spell it. So spoke with the bond company. They haven't had contact with her since July. Phone numbers.
All right. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 0125530, State versus Cassandra Bree Oberlinder. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Andrew Harris, Salem.
defense?
Roberto Ambrosino.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:26 a.m. Counsel, have you had any contact with your client?
I have not been able to make contact.
All right, state.
We'll put on an issue warrant.
All right, that will be granted. Your client will be remanded without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Jenna, that's a bond forfeiture. Vincent Arredondo.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Come down. Mr. Arredondo, where are you? Oh, thank you. Okay. All right,
Hey,
yes.
Good morning, Judge. We're requesting a reset of this case. I think this might be our first setting on it.
Yes.
And as you know, we're in trial right now and Megan's back at the office working on some things. So we'd request maybe 30 or 45 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can have this recalled for 30 days for discovery.
Sounds good.
All right, March 18th, and state on March 18th on Arredondo, you need to be prepared to tender an offer. All right, once you sign the reset form, you are excused.
Just have a seat.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
I just need to announce on. Okay. Ask for comments.
James Ross.
Yes.
Court is calling 2024 CR 008733 State versus James Ross Jr.
Yes, Judge.
Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state,
Jason Garahan.
for the defense?
Orlando Castellano.
And are you Mr. James Ross Jr.? All right, you're gonna need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? And did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiting count one, proceeding on the repeater and count two. Take it at first.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? Normally, the range of punishment for that is 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If the state proves the repeat offender enhancement allegation beyond a reasonable doubt to the court, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, if you have a plea, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes. No.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yeah.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Ross, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2. You are to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision, and there's to be restitution to the SAPD for lab testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I'm a little bit cloudy, Your Honor.
Okay, uncloud your mind.
I think he heard that it was to be sentenced at 8 years in prison, but I think he did not hear the part where it was recommended for probation and that he was applying for probation.
All right, I'll repeat. Your plea bargain agreement. The state and the defense and yourself have agreed to proceed on count 2 only. Do you understand?
I do.
You are to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. That's that repeater count that's in the indictment. Do you understand?
Yes.
There's a $2,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes.
There's a recommendation for community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes.
There's to be restitution to the San Antonio Police Department for laboratory testing of the drugs. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you are revoked, you're looking at 8 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
We have no rulings, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I do, Your Honor.
Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
To the repeater enhancement paragraph, how do you plead? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Take off state exhibit number one with all this attachment.
No objection, Judge.
All right, State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, I just asked that you follow the plea agreement.
All right, are you employed?
Not yet, Your Honor.
When's the last time you had employment?
Right before I was arrested on the 13th.
Doing what?
Modeling, acting,
I'm sorry, what?
modeling, acting.
I understood also that he was participating in research studies as well. Is that right?
All right, you say modeling and acting. Where might I have seen you? And in what might I have seen you?
In catalog modeling.
All right, what catalogs?
JCPenney's.
JCPenney still has a catalog? What year would that have been?
23, 22.
All right, I'm gonna look that up. What were you modeling in 23 in the catalog?
Here in San Antonio.
I had a client, Judge, who actually was a model as well. He was modeling, I think, JCPenney's Hager pants and such.
What's his name? James Ross?
It was not, but
So you say modeling and then you say acting?
Well, acting hadn't taken off yet. I just started the classes.
Oh, so you were in classes for acting? Because I will tell you, I watch a lot, so
They were.
I would have seen you if you say, name what you were in.
I was auditioning for it.
For what?
New Tyler Perry movie,
And what is that?
Stranger Things. And also Scream 7. I got the emails if you want to see them.
Oh, yeah, I would love to see the emails for this. Michelle, maybe we can be in a Tyler Perry movie. I knew there was something about him because his name is actually the name of J.R. Ewing's son in Dallas, James Ross Jr., J.R. Ewing.
never watched the show.
Oh my gosh.
I work on that.
Maybe.
And you're in Texas? Okay.
I watched Knight Rider.
Knight Rider, but not Stingray. Well, the Knight Rider you watched, was it the new version?
Oh, no.
Or the old one?
With the Ha.
Oh, who used to be in Young and the Restless as Snapper Foster. But okay, enough about that. And he was also the second Snapper Foster, not the original one.
I was more of a General Hospital person myself, Judge. So
Oh, wow. Huh. The Quartermains?
I don't remember because I watched it with my aunt. So
Okay. He's like, what are they talking about?
I know.
All right, so here's my question for you. In the past, what have you used? Drug-wise?
Marijuana, codeine, promethazine,
Mhm.
marijuana, codeine, promethazine,
Okay.
Xanax.
That will mess up your face if you want to be an actor.
No,
You know,
I'm done with the drugs all the way.
all right, they say acting is for the young. And do you have any children? 8? When's the last time you saw your 2-year-old? Mhm. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 9 years, $2,000 fine that will be probated, restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution, 100 hours will be deducted. For parenting classes, I'm gonna order parenting classes. And I tell you what, this is some incentive to improve acting skills. You may be acting right now, which is great acting. If you provide proof that you were actually in the J.C. Penney catalog in 2023, not 22, but 2023, I'll deduct 10 hours of community service restitution, and I'll deduct the remaining 90 if you actually are in the Tyler Perry series or someone series. Not as an extra, because those are just people in the background. You understand? If you have speaking lines, I'll waive the remaining of the hours, and that will give you incentive to work on your acting skills. All right, there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months. Ms. Abrams, how long will it take for a TAP evaluation in custody and out of custody?
Judge, in custody, I need a out of custody longer.
When we say longer, what are we thinking for out of custody? All right, here's the thing. You're going to be tested on a regular basis. I can keep you in jail for the 2 weeks for the TAP evaluation, or I can let the TAP evaluation be out of custody.
But I know he wants to be out of custody, Judge, and that's part of reason we were here is to address that, but we were able to resolve this case. And so I believe that he's motivated to be released. And so if there's
What
other
do you say?
conditions.
Here's the thing, your attorney is not going to be the one on probation, it's you.
Right.
So we can do the TAP evaluation in custody or out of custody, but I'm telling you, if you end up testing positive for drugs while you're out of custody, they're going to bring to me a motion to revoke or tell me what's happening with you. Then you and I are going to have another conversation, and that conversation may or may not result in you doing a TAP evaluation in custody.
Out of custody,
All right, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. There's to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And there's to be no contact with Mark Daniel Lewis. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
just understand, you said 90,
Sober meetings in 90 days. So every day you need to do a sober meeting for 90 days. Those are your AA meetings or NA meetings. You can either do AA meetings or NA meetings, but they're called sober support meetings now. If you go online, you can find one that is near you.
and to get a job too.
Yes. Anything else?
Yeah. It is.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I know I sentenced you to 9 months probation. I'm sorry, 9 years probation. You're like, yay, 9 months. If you complete everything early, you can always come back and ask for early termination. You understand? All right, and this court, to be successful, you need to stay in communication with your probation officer. If you have an issue, let them know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court and speak to me. You understand? All right, good luck to you. They'll go over your conditions with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
De Leon? Weiscarver? I would also say.
Nora, what is page is Ross on?
He's on the first page, the second one.
All right, thank you. Christopher Beltran? Good morning. Are you all proceeding on the motion?
Judge, I'm asking the court for a couple of weeks, reset on this one so I can do some research on some issues that came up today. I've attempted to do it, but I haven't been able to get the information.
All right. And State, do you have any objection to the reset?
No, Judge, we talked about it and I tried to assist him, but I wasn't able to, so I just think we're working towards the resolution, once he's able to find what he needs to.
All right, Norma, on this case, I need a 2-week reset, please. Keep it in this month.
February 27th.
All right, we're gonna bring you back on February 27th. Council, this will be the last reset.
That's fine, Judge. I think I'm out of county on the 27th, so I may be late. If that's what I would request.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Does he need the sun?
He's not gonna make bond, right?
Probation, Christopher Beltran is being reset for February 27th. Brian Pena. Yes, what is happening with this case?
We just got an offer tendered by the state today, Judge.
Okay. All right, how old are you?
21, Your Honor.
All right. All right, I'm gonna set this in March for a plea deadline date. I'm gonna set you for March 24th. Council, I realize sometimes young people need a chance to think over things, all right? So March 24th is going to be your plea deadline date. Defense, is that enough time for you?
That is enough time. I will just let the court know. I'll email Ms. Ferguson if I do end up going to trial that week in Comal County. Because I would know by the Tuesday before.
Okay,
So if anything, they could just push it to Friday of the same week.
sure.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Your Honor.
Oh, and council, if you make sure, if you all have received all of the discovery to do a discovery acknowledgement for the court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm putting on my calendar. It's been offered. I usually get yours. I just said no. No, I always show up.
All right, Norma. Yes. If you'll take this, please. Marlon Phillips.
Sure, Your Honor.
Yes. Oh, come forward. I'm sorry. Hello.
May I address the court?
Yes.
You asked us to make an effort to get into community court. We're unable to do that with the felony prosecution not backing off the 2 felonies. We're not gonna go to trial on this matter, but I can't get them in the community court. I suggest a short reset for further discussion regarding possible resolution by mental health supervision while on deferred adjudication.
All right. So how much time are you requesting?
2 to 3 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, this was stapled to the wrong thing. All right, and what other cases does he have other than this drug case?
Not aware of any others, Your Honor.
All right, that's the drug case. All right, so what we'll do is we would call it for 2 weeks. Do you still want it in this month or you want it in the month of March?
March is good.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson,
Yes,
put this for that first week in March, please.
yes, ma'am, I can do the March 3rd. Yeah.
All right, and Miss,
Is it 1 felony or 2?
oh, I don't know. That's why I was asking.
You want me to check?
They're together, whatever it is.
All right, Norma, excuse me. So, Mr. Phillips, let me explain something to you. Number one, you're leaving this courtroom. You're not leaving the courtroom in cuffs, so your attorney is doing a good job for you. The reason why I brought up the fact whether it was 1 or 2 is because I could have sworn I heard somebody mention that. Looking on the docket, I only see 1. Do you understand? So this whole releasing of anger towards your attorney and not thinking things through is an issue for you. So you need to start thinking before you just lose it and enter into your angry phase. Do you understand? So all you had to do was calm down and say, I don't understand. Here's the thing. But here's the thing. Listen, all right? Your felony case, the state does not have the labs, right? What we're trying to do and what your attorney is trying to do, this is where the counselor of law comes in, is we're trying to make sure, and he's trying to make sure that you don't pick up another felony, because we're dealing with the homelessness issue, maybe mental health issues. He's trying to work on all of that with all of the other caseload he has. You understand? So it does you no good to be angry with him, to speak to him in an angry way, because guess what? He's trying to help you. Now, he may not be able to get you exactly what you want, but he's still trying to help you. And I can tell you, I do not understand, and I've been trying to rack my brains around it. A lot of people will be angry with their attorneys, and the attorney is not even the person who has you in the situation that you're in. Usually when people go see their doctor, they're not angry with them because they have cancer. They're not angry with them because they have high blood pressure. They see them as, yes, this person could probably save me. Your attorney is just doing what's in your best interest and trying to save you. You understand? All right. All right. That's great. So here's the thing. Just don't talk to people when you're angry, because people will listen better when you don't come to them angry. That's why I try.
This whole time I had.
I know, but this is why I always tell people, just keep it right here and smile and everything will be okay. All right? So have you been able to find a place to stay or no?
On and off.
All right. So he's trying to work on that. We're going to see about referring you maybe to, he says, mental health. The mental health court may be able to help you with housing and your mental health. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we're going to bring you back on March 3rd. And Ms. Ferguson, when you do an order, yeah, she already has the reset form and she's going to do an order for him to be reviewed, for you to be reviewed for mental health. Okay? Do you have any now that you understand everything, do you have any questions about anything? You sure? All right, now's the time do you have any questions for your attorney?
Yeah, so,
Okay, all right, have a great day, okay?
thank
You're welcome.
One more, Your Honor.
Yes, just 1 second. And who's your other person?
Roberto Avalos.
Roberto Avalos Jr.
No answer at the docket, Your Honor.
All right, let me see if he's on a commercial bond.
He is, Your Honor.
All right, do you want to try calling the commercial bondsman?
We have tried that in the past. I only have communications with an address that apparently is wrong.
Okay,
Not necessarily wrong, Your Honor, but incomplete. If you look at the court's notification, it says 750 Bynum Avenue. However, if you check in our case management system, you find that the last known address for this defendant is 750 Bynum Avenue, number 12. And if you look on Google Maps, you'll find that the location for that address is a trailer. So it is possible that notification was sent to an incomplete address and therefore not complete.
all right. So counsel, do you want to check with the bondsman again or no?
Well, Your Honor.
All right, so once you check with the bondsman, just come back. Ms. Ferguson, could you give defense counsel the number to the bondsman on Roberto Avalos, please?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Jose Cervantes. Jose Angel Cervantes.
He's in the box, Cervantes. Come here. See, usted.
Oh, we need an interpreter.
Yes.
All right, just have him have a seat.
Siéntate.
Norman, could you call for an interpreter to come down, please? Jamarian Greer. Come forward. Hello, why were you late for court?
Traffic.
All right, so you're gonna have to make plans for traffic. There's always rush hour traffic and there's always traffic in San Antonio. It's becoming 35. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your attorney is currently in jury trial. See in the system. All right, Norma on Greer. Let's recall this for February 27th. Your attorney should be complete with jury trial by then. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat. The coordinator will call you when she's ready for you to sign the form.
Thank you.
All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Ah, okay. Okay, let me take care of it. Just 1 second.
cell phone to his client.
All right, thank you.
Alfonso Otero. And Alfonso's here, right? He's here. He's not. Yeah. You heard him?
Okay, all right, where's the file on Eduardo Reyes?
Rear.
Excuse me, could you pull the file on Eduardo Reyes?
Grab a beam right here. Lalakin, sign where it says defendant.
So is Eduardo Reyes in the back?
They just took. We just took him back to.
All right, so can you look at the system to see if the evaluation has been completed? All right, and what is the result? Yes.
He's been seen, he was found incompetent first,
Okay.
and then he was at the hospital, refused to take medications.
Ah,
When the order to force medication came in or was threatened, he just behaved normal.
okay.
And the reports itself speaks loud about that he kind of, they suggest that he's malingering. I've been trying to talk to him. He comes to Zoom, he sees me, and he just turns back around. If we want to have him seen again, we can do that.
Do you think he needs to be seen again?
I mean, I'm not an expert on that. I mean, I've seen people that clearly show signs of incompetency.
Mhm.
He knows who we are. He knows things, but I mean,
So do
we're all
you,
safe and everybody's, out of caution. That would be a good idea.
all right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
refer him for another competency evaluation.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then what we'll do is we'll recall you back for March 27th.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Do you want me to file a motion too, or just file the motion and
Yes,
when we can
if
just get it
you'll
all?
file it, yes.
I'll file it today, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Maybe excuse?
Yes.
Now, on the fee, just.
Yeah,
Because of
I'll send it and I'll send you an email.
Okay, thank you. I just need my little ticket.
Okay, I will give it to you.
To kind of encourage him with life force to come.
Here.
Yes.
This courtroom session starts off unusually light, but quickly shifts into strict control as the judge takes command of the room. At first, the judge is joking about the weather and even Valentine's Day, keeping the mood relaxed, but the tone changes the moment proceedings begin. As the docket is called, the judge makes it crystal clear: if your name is called and you're not present, a warrant can be issued immediately. One by one, defendants are called forward. Some respond, some don't, and the judge doesn't hesitate to call it out. Late arrivals are questioned, and even people sitting in the courtroom without a valid reason are addressed directly and told the rules. The judge lays down strict instructions: no approaching the court without speaking to attorneys first, follow proper procedure, be ready when your case is called. At one point, someone in the courtroom is corrected for behavior, and the judge firmly tells them to follow courtroom standards, including basic things like where to sit and how to act. As cases continue, the judge balances control with fairness, granting resets, setting bonds, and explaining legal conditions clearly. But when needed, the tone sharpens instantly, especially when defendants show confusion, delay, or lack of preparation. The biggest takeaway from this session? Even when the courtroom starts casual, the judge makes one thing clear: this is still a place of authority and the rules will be enforced without hesitation.